Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a wild, bizarre day on this one, and I mean, it was almost like a slow motion pump and dump. Now, of course, American Airlines is not a pump and dump company. I'm just saying the way the price behaved was a massive explosion to the upside. I mean, huge explosion. And then literally the rest of the day, slowly just went almost right back to where it started, which is a pump and dump, right? A price explodes and then goes back to where it was. But the just bizarre thing about this was the return back downwards was not like an instant drop. It was just slow and methodical the entire day long. But the one interesting part, and there's a lot of traders that have noticed this, so this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, but you got to give respect is due. Right here we have the pink line there. It's on my chart denotes the very well known, the very famous 200 period moving average. I know maybe you see where I'm already headed with this, but look at where the price bounced previously, right there, and then look at where this slow and steady and downwards move stopped, at least for now. Basically right at that pink line. So is this a guarantee of anything? No such thing as a guarantee. But is it a logical thought to have to think, you know what, maybe there's going to be some sort of bounce back off that 200 period moving average? That's a more than valid thought to have. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, but I don't think it would catch anybody off surprise if all of a sudden the price was able to establish some sort of bounce off that area. So the moral of the story here is that the main level of support going into Thursday is certainly going to be that pink line there, the 200 period moving average. If the price cannot quite hold above that, actually I'm going to go and just grab this green line here that I've used previously. But the next level of support would be right around $12.50. In the event there is some sort of bounce that tries to take place, key area of resistance to watch any sort of bounce is going to be that purple line there. The 50 period moving average, which you can see right there, has already presented a couple problems. So we'll see what happens with it. Yeah, but a very bizarre chart today, very bizarre price action. But we'll see if we can get some more upside movement or not next week. Or excuse me, not next week, but on tomorrow on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.